What if I told you that Tesla, yes, the same company shaking up the auto industry, has a factory that builds one complete electric car every 40 seconds? It might sound like science fiction, but it's a real-world feat of engineering, automation, and innovation. Welcome to the Tesla Gigafactory, a production monster unlike anything the automotive world has ever seen. Let's rewind a bit. In 2016, Elon Musk introduced the world to a grand vision, one where massive gigafactories would revolutionize car manufacturing. A place where raw materials enter one side of the building and fully finished electric vehicles drive out the other. Fast forward to today, and that vision is now reality, with gigafactories spanning continents, from Nevada to Berlin, Texas to Shanghai. Tesla's production game has gone from impressive to borderline absurd. But one factory in particular is drawing global attention: Giga Shanghai. Not only is it one of Tesla's most advanced facilities, but it's now setting production benchmarks the entire industry is struggling to keep up with. Reports from insiders and industry analysts reveal that this gigafactory can churn out a brand new Tesla vehicle every 40 seconds during peak production. That's over 2,000 vehicles per day, or more than 700,000 cars per year from just one location. So, how is this even possible? How do you scale production to such an extreme level without sacrificing quality, safety, or innovation? It all starts with automation. Tesla's gigafactories are built like futuristic ecosystems, powered by hundreds of robotic arms, autonomous delivery systems, AI-driven logistics, and smart software that coordinates every micro-movement on the floor. The result? A perfectly choreographed dance of man and machine that redefines what it means to build a car. From the stamping press that forges metal panels in seconds to the precision laser welding robots assembling the frames, every single task is optimized for speed and accuracy. Even the battery pack assembly, one of the most delicate parts of EV production, has been automated to levels never seen before in the industry. And it's not just about making cars fast, it's about making them smart. Each Tesla is updated and calibrated in real time through Tesla's internal systems, meaning the moment it leaves the production line, it's already running the latest firmware and diagnostics. Traditional automakers are struggling to catch up with this level of digital integration. But Tesla didn't get here overnight. Years of iteration, innovation, and bold risk-taking have allowed the company to refine its factories like software, constantly upgrading, streamlining, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And now, with the launch of the 2026 Model 2, production speed has reached new heights. Why? Because Tesla is planning to deliver this compact EV to the masses, and to do that, they need volume, precision, and speed. Lots of speed. Once the vehicle design is finalized, Tesla begins the production process with something truly revolutionary: massive aluminum casting machines known as gigapresses. These aren't just big. They're the largest casting machines in the world, capable of applying thousands of tons of pressure to mold complex parts with pinpoint accuracy. Traditionally, a car's underbody would be assembled from hundreds of small stamped metal parts welded together. This process was not only time-consuming, but it left room for inconsistencies and added unnecessary weight. Tesla's Gigapress changed everything. Now the front and rear underbody of the Model Y can be produced as a single piece, drastically reducing complexity, increasing structural integrity, and shaving minutes off the assembly timeline. This innovation alone has slashed costs and helped Tesla maintain their profit margins, even as they push for affordability. Following the casting, the structural battery pack is installed, a major milestone in Tesla's evolution. Unlike traditional EVs, where the battery sits in a casing mounted beneath the car, Tesla's structural pack doubles as a load-bearing part of the vehicle. This not only simplifies construction, but enhances safety, increases rigidity, and allows for more interior space. From there, the vehicle moves to the paint shop, a cutting-edge facility designed by Tesla engineers to deliver both speed and precision. Using advanced robotics and proprietary paint formulas, the entire process, primer, base coat, clear coat, is completed in a sealed, climate-controlled chamber. The result? Stunning finishes with virtually no imperfections. The Berlin Gigafactory even introduced exclusive colors like deep crimson and abyss blue that are only possible with Tesla's advanced layering techniques. Next is general assembly, where hundreds of robots and skilled technicians work in perfect harmony. From seat installations to dashboard alignment, window fittings to software systems, every component is placed with millimeter precision. Autonomous guided vehicles ferry parts to exact stations, ensuring zero downtime and continuous flow. This synergy of man and machine is Tesla's true secret sauce. But what truly sets them apart is their vertical integration. While legacy automakers rely on hundreds of suppliers scattered around the globe, Tesla produces most of its components in-house: batteries, chips, software, and even seats. This allows them to adapt quickly, avoid bottlenecks, and maintain quality control at every stage. Moreover, every step in the process is digitally tracked. If a sensor is even slightly out of calibration, or if a part isn't aligned to spec, Tesla's system flags it instantly. This real-time feedback loop ensures that each vehicle rolling off the line meets exacting standards. By the time each car leaves general assembly, it's undergone dozens of automated quality checks. Cameras scan paint for blemishes, torque sensors verify bolt tightness, and vision systems ensure every emblem is perfectly placed. All of this comes together to achieve the impossible: building one Tesla every 40 seconds. It's a feat that no traditional car manufacturer has come close to replicating, not just because of the machines, but because of the mindset. Tesla isn't just building cars, they're re-engineering how we build everything. Now, what does this all mean for the rest of the automotive industry? Well, for starters, it means traditional car companies are officially on notice. Tesla's Gigafactory isn't just about making more cars, it's about making them smarter, cheaper, and faster than anyone else. And that's a serious threat to automakers who still rely on outdated manufacturing methods and fragmented supply chains. Let's put this into perspective. While most car companies take 20-30 hours to fully assemble a vehicle, Tesla has compressed that into under 10 hours. And at Giga Texas, even less. That's not just efficiency, that's domination. This level of output isn't just a cool stat for shareholders. It's shifting the entire landscape of the electric vehicle market. With lower production costs and faster output, Tesla can afford to slash prices, undercut competitors, and still retain healthy profit margins. It's no coincidence that after the ramp-up of Giga Shanghai, Tesla was able to drop the price of the Model Y and still increase profits. That move sent waves across China's EV market, forcing other brands to rethink their strategies and pricing models. But the most impressive part? Tesla's factories are becoming smarter over time. Every step in the process generates data, and that data feeds back into Tesla's internal systems to improve production in real time. If a part fails more frequently than expected, or a robot starts to lag, the system flags it. This closed-loop feedback makes the entire system more adaptive and more powerful. And it's not just about EVs. Tesla's mastery of vertical integration and high-speed production is influencing other industries too, from energy storage and solar to robotics and artificial intelligence. The same techniques that build cars in 40 seconds are now helping to mass-produce power walls, solar tiles, and even components for the Tesla bot. But perhaps the biggest disruption isn't technological, it's psychological. For decades, car manufacturing was seen as something too complex, too slow to change. Tesla threw that idea out the window. They proved that speed and scale could go hand in hand, that factories could be clean, efficient, and even beautiful, and that manufacturing, once considered a dying art in the US, could once again become a symbol of national pride. Elon Musk didn't just set out to build better cars. He set out to build better ways to build, and in doing so, he's redefined from Giga Nevada to Giga Berlin. Tesla is proving that factories don't have to be clunky relics of the past. They can be intelligent ecosystems that birth the future. But what makes Tesla's ability to build a car every 40 seconds even more remarkable is their relentless push toward automation and AI. At Gigafactory, Texas and Shanghai, machine learning systems constantly analyze production data in real time. These AI tools don't just spot issues, they predict them. Whether it's a robot arm running slower than normal or a temperature fluctuation in a paint booth, Tesla's algorithms adjust the entire line before a human even notices. This predictive maintenance minimizes downtime and helps Tesla achieve the kind of operational efficiency that traditional automakers can only dream about. The software doesn't stop at internal processes either. Tesla integrates customer feedback directly into its production loop. For instance, if enough customers report an issue with a specific feature, say door alignment or screen responsiveness, Tesla can remotely tweak manufacturing calibrations at the factory level. This dynamic feedback cycle means every vehicle off the line is better than the one before it. It's not just innovation, it's evolution on a weekly basis. Even more impressive is Tesla's commitment to sustainability in their factories. Gigafactories are built with energy efficiency in mind. Tesla uses solar rooftops, energy-efficient HVAC systems, and in some facilities, even closed-loop water systems that minimize waste. They aim to power these massive plants with 100% renewable energy. That's not just good PR. It's smart business in an era where ESG, environmental social governance, metrics matter more than ever to investors. Looking forward, Tesla's long-term vision goes beyond producing electric vehicles. They see their factories as scalable modules, blueprints for how all manufacturing could evolve. Whether it's building cars, batteries, robots, or even homes, Tesla's core philosophy remains the same. Streamline everything, automate wherever possible, and cut out the inefficiencies that weigh down legacy industries. Take, for example, their rumored Project Dojo AI supercomputer, which is set to take over much of the training for Tesla's self-driving neural networks. Once it's fully integrated, even the way Tesla gathers and processes data from its fleet will be an automated, factory-level operation. And as autonomy grows, Tesla vehicles could be shipped directly to customers without ever touching a showroom, unlocking even more cost savings and logistical speed. So, what's next for Tesla's megafactories? Experts speculate that the next major evolution will involve hypermodularity, a concept where entire sections of a vehicle are pre-built by mobile robot fleets and then snapped together like Lego bricks. These modular systems could allow Tesla to expand its production lines globally without building massive new facilities. Imagine a network of compact, AI-run factories building EVs at scale, right near the point of delivery. And yes, we might even see these robotic mini-factories moving toward producing Tesla bots at scale. With the foundation already laid, both in automation and in software architecture, it's not a stretch to think that future Tesla factories will produce not just cars, but humanoid robots, solar roofs, batteries, and AI chips, all under one automated ecosystem. The idea of producing a car every 40 seconds was once unimaginable, but now it's Tesla's reality. And as they push the limits of what's possible, it's clear. Tesla isn't just leading the EV revolution. They're redefining the very concept of what a factory is and what it can achieve. This is more than a factory tour. This is a glimpse into the future of global manufacturing. Welcome to Tesla's world.